Hello, good morning and welcome. It's Tuesday the 12th of September. Um, we've got a little bit of weakness on the Japanese yen. I had a really nice trade on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. I took about 250 pips this morning. I got out more or less at the top, I think, and it's been a very nice trade for me. And also the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. I got out of that at the bottom, and it's come back. As you see from this chart, the New Zealand dollar has had strength over the last couple of trading weeks. We have a short ratio on it, but at the moment it's sort of having a little bit of a correction. Expected to go a little bit higher, so we'll be waiting on that. I could do with the RSI maybe bouncing off this resistance line here, so I'm just watching it at the moment. So there we go. USD CAD, it's sitting quite nicely at its new low level. It's down onto a bit of support. It's come down nicely on to below the 30.9 on the RSI, and it's looking like it's going to pop back up. I'm waiting till it cuts this trend line. We'll see how we feel then, but at the moment it's just sitting down on support. This is a monthly turning point down here at 1.2066. USD Japanese yen. This has had a little bit of strength to it. I got out at the blue line. It followed down and it's coming back up a little bit now. It's just at the 50 on the RSI. I think it's going to go up to this blue line here, which is resistance on the RSI. So we'll just leave that a couple of days. We have got a fairly good short ratio, which has been reduced over the last 2 or 3 weeks. So we'll be waiting to see that go up a little bit more before we start shorting it. Euro, British pound. This has come down lovely for us. Actually, in the members centre, I had trades in at the top here, which were quite large, and I got knocked out because I put a tight stop on them. But I have now got a couple of really nice trades that are in really good profit. And of course I've got this small one here, which I'm just going to put a stop on. But that's really done nice. I had a lot of faith in this trade, and nobody else seemed to think it. But there you go. It's got a divergence of 3.41 to 1 short. We've got a really nice steep line on the RSI coming down. So we'll see if we can stay in that trade without getting knocked out. AUD Japanese yen. We've had a bit of strength over the last couple of days on, well, actually it's weakness on the yen rather than maybe a bit of strength on the Australian dollar. We have a short ratio of 7.3 to 1. So I'm looking for this to top out, and then I might actually put a little bit more in it. It's above the 50 on the RSI. I think this could probably have a couple more green candles next couple of days or so. So we'll leave that. No stress on it. The pound Australian dollar. This has done nicely for us. I've got about 3 trades in this on the members centre. This is a bit of resistance here, and it's just slightly popped above it. It hasn't really broke it convincingly. So today that has got to stay above the resistance, and I think we'll be looking to make fresh highs. We've got a lovely steep climb on the RSI, so if that goes above the 69.1 and holds above it, we will see continued upward action for this. So thank you very much. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I'm really pleased with the way the trades are going this week. So hopefully, we might see a little bit of strength coming in on the dollar. and also maybe towards the end of the week, the Japanese yen might come back. Okay, thank you very much. See you tomorrow.